Okay, so one of the finishing stages, you're going to require to pick up all your doorknobs and your handles and your front handles and your front door handle, sorry. And also some of the other things that you're going to need is, you're going to have to remember to pick up the bumpers, the door bumpers. There might be some dummy doors, basically some dummy handles that you're going to have to require, and they require different latches or different type of closing mechanisms. So you're gonna have to get all that together and get all that for your trimmer before he shows up so he can go ahead and finish your house. So we're here at our hardware supplier, and we've already predetermined what handles we're picking. So we're gonna go ahead and grab them all and then bring them to the house. So see you at the next product.